Jack, where are you?
I'm right here.
In what?
I'm Block City.
Block City. Give us a tour. What is this place?
In this hospital, a helicopter hospital, a fire hospital.
Okay. Then what's this? Is this City Hall behind you?
Yeah.
City Hall, and then this is the skyscraper.
Skyscraper? What's this mean?
That's a store with an alleyway.
Alleyway? What's this?
Another store.
No store.
Okay, hey, what's over here?
Oh.
What is this?
A gas station. And call us and make train.
And then, hey, what's this one?
A sausage site.
Yeah, a construction site. There.
New skyscraper?
Yeah.
Welcome back, City.
Hey, Jack, do you smell smoke?
Uh-huh.
If there's smoke, what does that mean?
Fire.
Let's see. Oh no! The skyscraper's on fire!
Oh! The fire!
Who are we gonna call?
Fire!
Okay, let's go get the fire trucks.
Let's go.
Okay, which fire truck is going?
This one.
Okay, which way is he going? Let's follow. Let's drive.
Over here.
I'll drive this one.
Nina, Nina.
Here comes the fire truck.
Nina.
All right, where's he gonna stop?
Right here.
Because the skyscraper's on fire. Look, here comes the other one.
Nina. I did it! I picked outfits.
Good job, Firefighter Jack. Time for the fire trucks to drive off. Can you get this one?
Uh-huh.
Are they driving back to the fire station?
Fire station. Just quickly. Diesel top.
He's the bad guy?
Uh-huh.
Is he going to go break his other friend out?
Uh-huh.
Okay. How's he going to get there?
Oh no. Got it.
Okay, close it up. Here he comes.
Beep, 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 right here.
Okay, he's ready to break his friend out. Oh no!
Come on, me. Stop! Yo.
Look, they better run.
Boom. Boom. I'm coming. Boom. Boom.
And then, who's after him now?
A peace car. Yo. Peace car.
Here he comes. Oh, they stopped him at the roadblock.
Got you.
Uh-oh, they got him.
Got him.
Here goes his friend.
Boom.
Where's the other police car? Chase him.
Yo. Get down.
Oh no, there he goes.
Chase him.
Here goes the helicopter. He's out looking for him. We spotted him. They're in the alley.
Oh no. I better kill.
The police car's right behind him. He's coming out of the alley. Oh no, garbage truck. He has to swerve. Oh no.
Oh God. Peace car.
He's stuck. Hurry, police car. Hurry.
Where peace car go?
He's in the alley.
Oh.
Look, here comes the helicopter. The helicopter's landing on the backhoe. Here comes the police car to catch him.
Yo.
Oh, we got him. Jack, did he get him?
Yeah, knocks that garbage finger down. But
You're going to jail.
no, cones go right here.
Oh, okay, we got to cone him off.
Cones go right there.
Are they rebuilding City Hall?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what about the bad guy?
Huh?
Huh?
Police car?
The police car's guarding him. Okay, look, they're bringing this guy in now. Because he got hurt.
The heart. Right here.
Which one?
Right
Which one
here.
says? Okay, here,
Right here.
here, drive this police car over there.
This police car. This police car. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo.
We're panning over. Is Block City safe now?
Goodbye, Block City.
And-
That's so sad.
All right.
No doubt.